Hello everyone, welcome to another coding session. In today's coding exercise, we would like to write a program that access array elements using a double pointer or a pointer to another pointer. So we are having one simple one-dimensional array here that is named ARR. It's of type int and it is having 3 elements. And then we are having a pointer to the array. So this is how we're defining a pointer to the array itself, okay, to the initial, to the first of the array, to the beginning of the array, okay? And then we are having a pointer to this pointer. So a double pointer is defined here, and we are pointing to the first pointer, okay? Note that when we would like to point at the beginning of an array, we don't need the and sign in here. We just point at the name of the array. So basically, you just need to write down the name of the array. Then we would like to print and access its value. To do that, we need a for loop because it's an array of 3 elements. To do that, we are having I starting from 0 as long as I is lower than 3. So I is going to get the value 0, 1, and 2. And then basically we are having to have this line of code to access each element of this array. So one, because we are using a double pointer or a pointer to another pointer, we are having two stars here, but one star is outside of the parentheses. So the first star is outside of the parentheses because it is dereferencing the value obtained by adding I to the star PTR to PTR. Let me make an example. So basically what it does step by step is that this part of the code, it is dereferencing the PTR to PTR to get the value of the first pointer, which points to the start of the array. Okay? And this is dereferencing the first pointer. And then it adds the value I to the pointer value, effectively moving to the ith element of the array. So when I equals 0, here, this one is going to dereference the first pointer that is pointing at the first element because the I equals 0. Now that it is pointing at 10, we are dereferencing the double pointer because we are adding, because now this part is going to point at the first beginning element when I is revealed. And then we are dereferencing with another or second star the double pointer here. Okay. And basically, this is what I explained here. So dereferences the resulting pointer to access the actual value of the ith element of the array. So when I equals 1, this line is firstly pointing and dereferencing the first pointer, and we are adding the I. So now I equals 1. So it is this one is pointing at the second element, and therefore we know that the result of this parenthesis is the pointing at the second element, and then we are adding the second star here, or the first star before parenthesis here, to dereference the uh, double pointer here, that dereferencing the resulting pointer to access the actual value of the ith element of the array. And then I equals to 2, which means that this one is dereferencing the first pointer, and by adding the number 2, because it is pointing at the start of the array, by adding 2, 1, and 2, it is pointing at the 3, and using this code, the full code, now we are dereferencing the resulting pointer, which is now at 30, so we can access the actual value. So let me run. Okay, great. So you see here that it is now printing 10, 20, and 30. Okay. But let's do another test. To do another test, now I'm putting both of the stars in the parentheses to see how it happens. So basically what it is going to do is that it is dereferencing directly the first element, because now it is pointing at the first element. Okay, it is now pointing at the first element. So basically here with this, we are simply dereferencing this one that is pointing at the first element, meaning that this part is value is 10. Then 10 is being added to the value of I, which is 1 times 0, then 1, and then 2. When I run, you see that it is not printing the values of the array. It is printing 10, 11, and 12. Why? Because in each iteration, first it is dereferencing the first pointer that is pointing at the first element only. And then it is adding the value of I, which is value between 0 and 2. This is why here we are having first in the first iteration, this part equals 10 plus 0, we are printing 10. Then this part equals 10 again because it is pointing at 10. Then plus 1 because now I equals 1, and this is printing 11, and then 12. So this is not dereferencing the movement of the pointer. We are just dereferencing fully the first pointer, but having one star outside means that this part is going to dereference the pointer and also move the pointer to the next element using this I here, and then dereference the full value of the number. When it is pointing, when I equals 0, it is pointing at 10. When I equals 1, it is pointing at 20. When I equals 2, it is pointing at 30. And then when it is pointing, this part is pointing at 30, now we are dereferencing the resulting pointer that is pointing at 30, so we can see the actual output here. Yes, so this is what we were looking for. Thank you for watching.